Hi everyone, my name is Jawad and I'm gonna share with you guys an approach to implement many-to-many relationship. This is my first video post. I'm doing it without script and a bit stoned, so ignore the pauses please. So simple way, just what we will be doing. Let's say I am in a group, and if I go to edit group setting, so I have a group and multiple tags, or I can have a tag or with multiple groups. So this is man-to-man relationship. We will be following this tutorial, getting started with EF6 using MVC5. You can go through and check it. You must have the knowledge that how we will create the models and how the conventions work. We will be using jQuery and you can download it, and the jQuery plugin select to. So I have created a project here, demo. In my demo project, I created two classes, uh, person, contain person ID, name, collection of courses. Identical to that, courses, course ID, name, collection of persons. So many to many relationship. Then I created context class. Here I am just associating DB set properties and some conventions overriding. You can all this information you can get through this tutorial. And yep, also then to provide some initial data, override the seed method and provide some data to play with it. That's it. Also in the layout, I make included some references to my jQuery UI and select to CSS file, which you when you download it, it's available in the downloaded folders. You have to extract it. So for example, I download select2 and I have here the CSS file for select2. I just copied it, and the JS file I just copied it. So same for the jQuery UI, and I put the references here in this order: first CSS, then the script files. So these are the modifications, and I also modified, added an action link here for my person controller. So this is the changes, and if you follow along, I added a connection string here, the same techniques in the MVC tutorials, and also I mentioned my context under entity framework, that which initializer and the full qualified name and the assembly name. Here I set it here. This is also very well explained there. So this is the initial setup for my applications. Now I am going to directly to use it. So first of all, I go to controller, add a new controller. I will call it person controller. I'm using a German keyboard, so I might need some corrections of person model class and this context generate view. That's it. Scaffolding will take time. So these ones you can just search it, select2 on GitHub. You can download it and extract it, and jQuery. So these both are free and should not create any kind of issue. So this is my person controller. It created the scaffolding code and the related views as well here in the views directory. Okay, but no, share, sure, go ahead and do it. Okay, I don't know how long it will take because my system is behaving funny today. So here I have link. I click person, and it should definitely render an index view with a list of person along with the links to go to the views to create, edit, modify, delete. So that's it. Anyway, uh, I should have restarted it earlier. So these steps are self-explanatory. In case any kind of issues, you can just ask me. So if I go to create new, see the default one giving me the person name, but I want something like this, that person name here and the list of courses he can teach. So I need to provide some input field here, and definitely in my model I have the list of courses available, which I have initialized it with some initial courses. So I want to pass this all courses so that when we are creating a person, we can select any one of course from there. So in person controller I need to provide this information. Some people would like to use the um, view data, which is the good technique for strongly typed views, but I'm going to use it just for demonstration purpose, the view back property. I already have some code here available, so I will definitely follow that code. That's great. I don't have that code available here. So what I gonna do? Okay, I will try with my memory. Let's do it. Anyway, so this is our create get action, and here I want to pass the courses. So I will select, let's say, view back dot add courses. This is the same name. A viewback dot courses is equal to, I want to pass this as new multi select list, and then I will say okay, take some all the courses from the DB course, and then I will say course ID and course name. Oh, that's course. Okay, that's great. That's it. I just need to pass these courses. When my create here the view rendered, it automatically have this view back property to use. So I need to provide, like right now it's just providing me the label and the editor for more person name. I need to add let's say some input field which will give me the courses. So here's the thing. I passed that one, the list of courses, as a multi-select list. So what I can do here, I can just render a list box here. So I have already copied some code for my view. Let's copy it and discuss it. So here I just had a label for model.courses because persons has a collection of courses, persons.courses. Okay, and this is the list box which I am giving the courses passing through my view back here. Okay, let's render it. I think I just need to refresh it, and okay, let's refresh it. If it shows, okay, I will go to person. Okay, here I will say create new. Okay, it doesn't render. Why? Okay, person name from controller. I am passing it. New multi select list, DB courses, course ID name. Maybe, what if I do? I just restarted because I am not sure about the syntax. It's always confusing for me as well. Okay, there, yeah, here it is. I missed it somewhere. Okay, yeah, that's very mature of me. Okay. Again, all these uh, procedure I am following is already mentioned here, and the changes which I had done so far is just pass this one through view back property, and in my create I just added this piece of code, and definitely the reference is in my layout file. And I am not sure if my okay, this is also working because it was giving me tough time. Okay, if I go to create new, so see I have the list of courses. Somehow I am not going to the orientation where it should place. You can do it yourself. So this doesn't look so user friendly. What I gonna do now, I will show you the power of select to. In order to use this JS library of select to, we have to put some script here in our view. I already copied it just to show you and explain it to you. It will be good. Here I copied it and just paste it. So in script jQuery ready function, I'm just putting select to with my courses because when this list box rendered, it already have the ID of course, and I'm using jQuery selector for this one along with this additional setting. So if you go there, here for example, this is my select list, and you see here it automatically giving the name courses ID courses. Okay, name also courses. So I'm using hash selector to just have a handler on it in my view, and it provides the functionality. Now as we did this, see what we did, we just added this simple script tag, and see the difference here what it could do. I will just make a round trip so that everything committed. Okay, now create new. Again, you have now such some list and see the placeholder. Please select courses. A long list of options you can check on the documentation, and minimum size, weight, whatever. Okay, so here I have person. Let's say I add person. Which one? Okay, I don't know the name of the person. Okay, let's say Tiger Woods. Sure. Feature you can make, search it, or you can just select it. jQuery seems similar, huh? Due to this custom jQuery UI, I cannot see the cross sign here, but definitely it's there. I just need to work it like this. Okay, so just create it. So if I go to now, I know that I have added some courses with this person, but if I go to the details, I don't have those courses. Why? Because my auto-generated details view doesn't have this rendering available. So we need to, you can do it in your way. I just need, see, we are passing person object, and we know that person has the list of a collection of courses. See, so what if I simply go there and use a for each loop and then render the courses using a list item? I already have done this one here. So just let me copy it. Okay. See, I forgot, sorry to mention. When we post it, we have two variants: create, this is get, and this is HTTP post. Here in the post method, we also have to pass the list of courses which we want to, save along with the person. So we need to modify this HTTP post method here as well. So let me just delete this one. I already have the modified variant. It's almost same. The changes I made I will explain. So here I am. See, along with person object, I am passing an array integer of courses because our list, this one, already have the IDs with this. If course is not equal to null, for each course ID in courses, we are just grabbing that course from the courses db.courses, find course ID, and then person.courses, because this person is the model which is which posted back, and we are adding the course, and this loop through if two courses, two time, three time, four time, whatever, and then finally we are adding this persons in our see here we have this db set property persons. So uh, in create we are using db.person.add, add this person and save changes and take us back to the index. Okay, so this modification need in order to actually save those into the database. So in details, now back to the details, we can use a for each loop in this style. Okay. I don't have that code here with me. That's great. Why I don't have this one? Okay, I might need to type it. I will type it myself. Okay, this is the okay for each variable course in model dot courses, that we want to do, we want to create okay at uh, at course dot course name and just br tag. Hopefully we are not doing anything special. Let's do some br. You can, it's up to you how you want to render it. Okay, that's it. We just put this extra piece of code and let's see if it works as we think. It should display now the list of courses. Okay, person. Now if I go here, tiger, come on tiger, no way, no way, it's not showing. Okay, I am doing something wrong here. Let me just copy it as well. I don't want to spend time here. Okay, I will go to control. Let me stop it. I thought that I have put it here. Mhm. Okay, it's not there. I will just add my existing item just to see that okay, it's fine. Views person. Let's have some party sharty. Let's have okay, how I am doing here. Okay, that's great. I think I wrote it correctly, but don't know why. It's being okay. Just let me check and then I will talk about it. That this is what I'm trying to achieve. I think I don't need this anymore. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. Yeah, after stopping this video, I'm going to restart it. I cannot spend a... Come on, Tiger. Come here. Okay, you don't want. Let me try. Maybe I'm not saving it properly because it should. Person name, nation, courses, let's say jQuery and C++. Create. Come on, Zishan. Come on. Okay, I got it. C++ jQuery. Okay, not looking so good, but you can render it as you like. So that's it. If I create, let's say another one, Usman UK, and then I select, let's select all for this C++. C. We don't need to worry that we already selected C++. It's no longer available in the list to select. For example, if I just remove it, it's again available. Create. Come on. Okay, details. We got it. And you can implement same scenario for edit and whatever you need. So guys, this is it. I tried to keep it simple and hopefully you enjoyed it. Bye bye.